How to enable full screen photo caller ID for incoming calls on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to enable full screen photo caller ID for incoming calls on Android. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch your Contacts app on your device. Now you can scroll and search for the user for whom you want to set the full screen photo caller ID for incoming calls. You can use the search bar at top of the screen or scroll manually. Once you have selected open it, once you open it, you have to choose the edit icon and then you'll get access to this section where you need to tap add picture and select a picture as full screen photo caller ID for incoming calls on your device. Now tap on the choose icon at bottom center of the screen and the picture has been successfully set as full screen photo caller ID. So, in this way, you can easily enable the full screen photo caller ID for incoming calls on Android device. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.